Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the Mineral Air Complexion and Blush Kit, a product designed to simplify your makeup routine with its unique 4-in-1 formula. Whether you're after flawless skin or radiant cheeks, this kit claims to offer it all. So let's see how it stands up. The Mineral Air Complexion and Blush Kit features a mineral foundation that combines 4 key elements: primer, concealer, hydrator, and pigment. With this innovative approach, you're getting a multi-purpose product that promises to deliver a smooth, flawless finish in a flash. The kit includes a cordless, portable air mist device designed to make application as effortless as possible, and a sheer, buildable rose petal universal blush, which is said to suit a wide range of skin tones. Sounds pretty promising, right? Let's dive into how it performs in real life. Now, when I first opened the kit, I was impressed by how sleek and easy the device felt. The air mist technology isn't something you see every day, so I was curious about how it would apply. I charged it up, it's super easy to do, by the way, and tested the foundation on my skin. The one-touch control system worked exactly as described. No overspraying, no mess, and I could feel it immediately blending into my skin. It's pretty lightweight, which is a huge plus for anyone who's into fast application without the heaviness of traditional foundations. What I loved about the foundation formula was how buildable it was. You can go for a sheer look or layer it up for more coverage without feeling like your skin is caked in product. The finish is soft and radiant, which is perfect if you're after a natural glow. Plus, the added primer and hydrator did a solid job of smoothing my skin, and it really helped minimize the appearance of fine lines and blemishes. I even noticed a subtle difference in my skin's texture after wearing it for a few hours. So that's a nice bonus. As for the blush, it's equally impressive. The Rose Petal Universal Blush applies evenly and is definitely flattering on a range of skin tones. I found it easy to build, and the color wasn't too overpowering, which can sometimes be a problem with blushes. Instead, it gave me a natural flush that lasted well through the day. The air mist device itself is super convenient and easy to clean, which is key for long-term maintenance. I didn't experience any issues with it. Just a few seconds of spraying, and I was done. It's cordless, so portability is a huge plus, especially if you're someone who's always on the go. Now let's talk pros and cons. The biggest pros are the quick, flawless application and the multitasking nature of the foundation. It's fantastic for anyone who's looking for a minimal effort, high-impact look. The blush is also a standout, as it adapts to different skin tones beautifully. On the downside, while the foundation is great for everyday wear, those who prefer a fuller matte finish may find it a little too luminous for their liking. Also, the price tag could be a consideration for some, though I do think you're getting a lot of functionality in return. When it comes to value for money, the kit offers a lot of versatility. You're essentially getting a primer, concealer, hydrator, and foundation all in one, which can save you some space in your makeup bag. While it might feel a bit on the pricier side, the convenience factor, especially with the air mist device, does justify the cost for me. If you're someone who values speed and flawless results, this might be a good investment. As far as comparisons go, this product stands out in its category due to its air mist application and the way it combines multiple steps into one. There are similar mineral foundations out there, but the ease of use and the portability make this a unique option for those who want a fuss-free, yet high-quality finish. For those who prefer a more traditional application, though, there are plenty of great options that might suit their style better. In terms of build quality, the device itself is well made. It feels sturdy in your hand, and the charging system is straightforward. There's nothing flimsy about it. I didn't notice any wear or tear after repeated use, and I'm confident it'll hold up well over time. If you're considering alternatives, there are other mineral foundations out there, but none that combine all of these elements in such a compact, easy-to-use format. If the price is a bit too steep for your budget, you can certainly find some great mineral foundations or blushes individually, though they won't offer the same air mist application. To sum it all up, the Mineral Air Complexion and Blush Kit delivers on its promises of fast, flawless application with a natural finish. The versatility of the product makes it ideal for people who want a streamlined beauty routine without sacrificing quality. If you're a fan of the air mist technology and prefer a light, radiant finish, this kit could be a game changer for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.